Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Manglam. So today's video I am going to discuss about the hiring opportunity which has been announced by the Deloitte. So Deloitte is currently hiring for business technology analyst and this is very important hiring opportunity because this is BTA hiring. Okay, now talking about the eligibility criteria. So the main job title for the Deloitte is business technology analyst and you will be working in the domain of backend Python developer. Okay, and this is for Hyderabad location. Now talking about the responsibilities, what work you will do: assist in developing and maintaining scalable efficient Python based backend system. So basically you will work in the Python technology in the Python and Python framework, so you should have some knowledge regarding Python. What are the exact requirement for this job role? That is 0 to 2 years of experience in software development. If you have relevant experience, then you can apply. Preferably focused on backend development using Python. Ability to write clean, maintainable, and scalable Python code for optimization. Solid grasp of object-oriented programming, OOPS principle, and commonly used design patterns. Okay, experience with writing unit test frameworks like PyTest or unit test. So basically, this is pure technical job role, and if you have relevant skill set like programming skills or OOPS concept, Python programming language knowledge, then you can apply. What is the qualification criteria? That is BTech students can apply, B students can apply, and MTech or MCA computer science students can also apply for this hiring opportunity. This is the exit qualification. If you have relevant qualification, then you can apply. Now students will talk about like for which batch students can apply. So I will suggest that 24 batch and 23 batch students can apply for this hiring opportunity, and location would be Hyderabad. And second opportunity from the Accenture. Accenture currently hiring for application support engineer. If you want to go in application support or a technical support, then you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity. And what is the main criteria for this hiring? If you can see, the minimum criteria, that is 0 to 2 years of experience required for this hiring opportunity. And what are the skill set you can see, like if you have relevant skills and support be like must to have skills. Proficiency in assist management. What is assist management? Like if you like if any user is facing problem in configuration, then you will be helping out there. Okay, so like that type of work you will be doing there. Strong understanding of software development life cycle, the SDLC knowledge you should have. Experience with incident management, because you will work in the incident and service request management, and total experience of 0 to 2 years. So any graduate can apply for this hiring opportunity also if you have relevant skill set. So I will provide the link in the description box, so you can apply from there. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.